There are moments when it seems like every year in technology is merely a tiny advancement. However, Samsung then subtly arranges something that slightly alters the course, and all of a sudden everything seems worthwhile once more. Samsung is apparently broadening the foldable family with a broader design approach in addition to the standard updates. This implies that the Galaxy Z Fold 8, Galaxy Z Wide Fold, and Galaxy Z Flip 8 are possible options. China's 3C certification has now verified that the Galaxy Z Flip 8 is capable of 25-watt fast charging. That is the same level as its predecessor, so there isn't a significant improvement here, just consistency. However, the other two devices are at the center of the larger narrative. The 3C database also has two model numbers, SMF 9710 and SMF 9760. These are thought to be the Chinese versions of the Galaxy Z Fold 8 and Galaxy Z Wide Fold, based on Samsung's standard naming scheme. Both devices can be charged up to 15 volts and 3 amps, or 45 watts of wired charging, according to the certification details. When compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 7, which remained restricted to 25-watt cable charging, it would be a significant improvement. If this information is accurate, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 and Galaxy Z Wide Fold may finally achieve the significant charging speed improvement that many users have been hoping for. Samsung is reportedly locking in July for something far larger than anticipated, according to a recent leak. Not simply the Galaxy Z Fold 8, but a brand new, broad foldable 2. To be honest, there is more fascinating information than that. It's possible that the S Pen will return at last. The Korea Economic Times reports that Samsung is organizing its next Unpacked event in London on July 22, a worldwide platform that will once again demonstrate Samsung's commitment to its foldables. If this is accurate, the long-rumored wide foldable and the Galaxy Z Fold May 8 be unveiled simultaneously. A moment that could subtly transform Samsung's whole product line. Additionally, it complements Samsung's current style flawlessly. It's interesting that the Galaxy Z Flip 8 isn't specifically mentioned. But let's face it, without it, it would feel lacking. This also applies to the upcoming Galaxy Watch, which often takes center stage. However, the S Pen is the true emotional draw here. In an effort to make the gadget slimmer, it was discreetly eliminated with the release of the Galaxy Z Fold 7 last year. Even while the choice made sense in theory, devoted fans didn't feel that way. It appears that Samsung may now be prepared to address that. According to the source, the S Pen may make a comeback soon after the wide foldable is released.